If you've got the family, I've got the trailer. You bring the kids, I'll provide the s'mores. Hey there, Trisha here from Four Seasons in Virden. Welcome to the 2027 Jayco 333 BTS family travel trailer with sleeping up to 10. If you've ever caught yourself saying we just need a little more room, well, this trailer might be exactly what you need. Let's start in the back. With the private bunk room, this isn't just a space for the kids to sleep, it's their own private headquarters. Multiple bunks, J cubes to be used as a bed or a couch. It's a great hangout space, a place to watch a movie, and yes, debate who gets that top bunk. Let's head into the kitchen where you're going to find a beautiful island, plenty of counter space, a hutch, a pantry, and of course you're going to find an 11 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator that keeps everything cold whether you're at a full-service campsite or enjoying a little off-grid adventure. Let's be honest, making sure that nobody runs out of snacks or beverages is super important, and honestly, check out this freezer and fridge space. The main living area is where everyone comes together after a day at the lake. Large windows, comfortable seating including a booth-style dinette, tri-fold sofa for extra sleeping, and your entertainment area, which includes a cozy fireplace, perfect for those cool evenings. Can we talk about this? You don't often find a closet at your front door. You've got a place to hang your jackets, tuck those shoes, and of course, you're going to find all your main controls for the coach right here. Inside the bathroom, you're going to find a foot flush toilet, corner radius shower with lots of space inside there, your medicine cabinet, vanity, and this unit also comes with hot water on demand. Now parents, this part's for you. Up front, you're going to find your own private bedroom with a walk-around queen bed, wardrobes on both sides, storage underneath, and actual space to move around without doing the sideways shuffle. This Jayco also comes with the Elite package, giving you the durable fiberglass exterior, upgraded aluminum rims, and we've also included the Overlander solar package. Coming in at 8,355 pounds dry and just under 38 feet, this is a trailer that gives you room to spread out without stepping into fifth wheel territory. On the exterior, you'll find an outdoor kitchen with mini fridge and storage, a great place for a quick snack and drink. You're going to find a beautiful large power awning with LED light, and your front pass-through storage for all that camping gear that somehow doubles every season. Whether you've outgrown your trailer or maybe you've moved to a seasonal site and you need more space, stop in at Four Seasons here in Virden and check out the 2027 Jayco 333 BTS travel trailer. My name is Trisha. I'd be happy to show you around and maybe we can have some s'mores.